another episode of Under 2 Minutes. Today we are going over the Intersect tool in Pathfinder. Now, what this allows you to do is take two existing objects or more and it combines the overlapping sections of them. So let me show you what I mean here. If I take this shape and overlap it with the circle, there are points that intersect between both. So you have this whole object intersecting with the circle underneath. Now all of these points are not touching the circle, so they don't intersect. So they are just extra points. Now if we hit that intersect button with all of this highlighted, it's going to keep everything that's touching each other. So the circle and this polygon, that's all touching. Now I'll show you. I'll hit intersect and it has cut off everything that wasn't touching. So those little points on the edge and the circle, it has combined both layers into whatever was intersecting each other. Now, it really doesn't matter what order the layers are. The only thing that's going to change is the color that it takes. So I'll show you what I mean here. If I put the circle on top and now hit the intersect button again, it's just going to keep this gray color, but still cut out that same path. So there we go. As you can see, the intersect tool takes two overlapping shapes and it combines whatever is touching and cuts off the excess if there is no two shapes touching that same area. Intersect in Pathfinder, very simple.